my channel. Hope you are all doing good. So today's episode is all about healthy food, that is healthy recipe. And today I am making mango sticky rice. Yes. So there is a twist. So it's all healthy. I'm not using any sugar. I'm not using any white rice. So check out my recipe, note down the ingredients, and let's see how the recipe works. Okay, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. So let's go and check out the mango sticky rice. So hope you enjoyed my video. So this sticky rice is made with black rice. So black rice gives the same texture of the sticky rice. So it is healthy also. And I've used stevia for sweetness and the natural sweetness from mango. And I've used very little rice powder, and this is how it is. Must try this recipe and let me know in comments. Please like, share, subscribe, and we'll meet you in the next episode, next video. Until then, bye bye.